How to promote our website in YouTube community page to get more web visitors, traffic and engagement to our website. So let's start the video. First, we need to log into our YouTube account. We need to go to channel community page. The simplest way is to click the create icon in the top bar and again, select create post from the menu, which will take us to the community page. We can create a plain text post to promote our website, or we can create a post with a photo to promote the website. I prefer to add a photo to share my website to be more impactful. And next, in the text field, we can write a brief description about the website. And again, we can share the website link below the text content. And once we click post button here, the content will be posted immediately in YouTube community page like this, and the content will be visible to everyone. And done setting the website link in YouTube community page. Our channel visitors who land on the community page would be prompted to visit our website. I am hoping this video lesson will be helpful to you. Please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell icon to get notified when we add more and more video content to our channel.